Hi, I'm Bob Schmidt with Sakrete. Today we're going to take a look at Sakrete Fast Setting Cement Patcher. As its name implies, this is a fast setting material. This is going to set in about 10 to 15 minutes. I'm going to begin this process by wetting down the area that we need to patch. The very best way to bond concrete is to make a very wet slurry coat of whatever material you happen to be working with. In this case, we're working with the fast setting cement patcher. And just using my hand, I'm going to take this material and I'm going to rub it into all the pores on this slab like this. Now while that is setting, I'm going to add more dry powder into my mix in order to get a stiffer mix. You'll notice that the material that I applied just a minute ago is now fairly dry. This will assist in the bond. Now I'm going to take the stiffer material, I'm going to place it on the corner like this, just using my hand temporarily as a form. And as you can see, the material is stiff enough that it's not running anywhere. And I can continue, place material here, filling it just a little bit more than what I need, and then continuing to push back. As this stiffens, I will be able to cut away more and more of this until I've formed a 90-degree angle here and completed the repair of this corner. What you want to do is put your trowel right on the edge there, and your margin trowel right up to the edge. You can see what a nice crease on the concrete. We've got a nice tight corner here, but I'm going to take this paintbrush just to blend it in to the existing surface to remove any sort of seams that we have. And there we have it. A nice tight corner on our concrete slab.